Students, myself Prashant Patil, and I bring a very interesting video for all the classes from 6th standard to 10th standard. As per Jadhav sir's instruction, I am going to make a video on basic mathematics in which we are going to study the identities, algebraic identities, algebraic identities algebraic identities, in which the first identity is a plus b whole square equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Second one, a minus b whole square equals to, or we take here a plus b plus c whole square equals to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Next one is a square minus b square equals to a plus b in one bracket, a minus b in another bracket. Why I purposely wrote only three identities? Because I am going to explain these algebraic identities in geometrical form, because we need the geometrical proof for these identities. For example, if someone asks you the proof of this identity, so we have two ways to express the proof of this identity. For example, algebraic proof, and another proof is geometric proof. So today we are going to see both the proofs for the same identity, 1, 2 and 3. So are you ready to learn this algebraic proof as well as geometric proof of above identities? And remaining identities I will prove, or I will explain in my next video. So be ready for the proof of algebraic proof and geometric proof of these identities. Okay, so let us start with the first identity. First identity, a plus b whole square equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab is nothing but a very basic algebraic identity. If someone asks you to prove this identity algebraically, then you can start with LHS. LHS is nothing but a plus b whole square equals to, okay, a plus b in one bracket, a plus b in second bracket, because of this square. Now a is multiplied to a becomes a square, a is multiplied to b becomes ab. Now b is multiplied to a become ba, and this b is multiplied to b becomes b square, and that means a square plus ab become 2ab plus b square, and this is nothing but RHS. Hence proved. This method is called as algebraic proof of this identity. But we are studying today how to prove the same identity using geometrical construction, or how to prove geometrically this identity. Okay, so be ready. I am going to prove the same identity geometrically. First of all, you draw a square like this, a square, then attach a rectangle with it. This side a rectangle. The rectangle has length of this rectangle is a, and this one is also a, this one is also a, this length is also a, this length is b, this length is b, this one is b, a, and this one is what, b, and here also this is nothing but b, and this one is also b. Now check what is the area of this square, because a, all four sides are same. Then what is the area of this part? First part. Actually we have how many parts with you? First part, second part, third part and fourth part. Total 4 parts. Using these 4 parts, this square is formed. Look at the square. This one is the square, one of the side of the square. This one is the side of the square, and this one is also side of the square. So how many parts are required to make this square? 4 parts. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we need to find the area of this part. So what is the area of this much part only? That is a square. Now is a rectangle. What is the length of the rectangle? A. And what is the breadth of the rectangle? B. Therefore area of the rectangle is length into breadth, that is A into B. This one is also A into B. And now at last, this side is B, this one is B, this one is B, this one is B, becomes B square. Now we need to calculate this. Now tell me, this total length of this side is A plus B, because A and B is here. Now tell me, here A plus B, this side also A plus B, and this side also A plus B. Now total how many sides this square has? 4. Each side of length A plus B, A plus B, A plus B, A plus B. Then can I say area of square equals to side square. That means what is the side of this square? A plus B whole square. Now A plus B whole square is nothing but, now we need to check this. This A plus B area is made up of by 4 parts. The 4 parts are A square plus B square plus AB plus AB, and that means A square plus B square plus AB 2 times, this become 2AB. That means A plus B whole square is nothing but A square plus B square plus 2AB. Hence this identity proved using the geometrical meaning. Okay, now let us start the second identity. What is the second identity? The second identity is A plus B plus C whole square equals to A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. So first of all, you need to draw a square like this, a square with these 2 lines, here also with these 2 lines. Okay, these 2 lines you just show by dotted line. These lines are dotted lines, A, B, C. This length is A, this length is B, and this smallest unit is C. This one is C, B, A. Here also A. This one is B, this one is C. Okay. Now here tell me A, B and C. What is the length of this whole A plus B plus C? What is the length of this whole side? A plus B plus C. What is the length of this also? A plus B plus C. What is the length of this also? A plus B plus C. Now we are going to find out area. Area equals to side square. Area equals to side square. Side is nothing but, what is the side? A plus B plus C. So you should write here A plus B plus C whole square. And that is nothing but A square plus. Now we need to check the square is made up of by how many parts? First, second, third, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 parts are required to make this square. So first of all tell me, what is the area of this first part? A square. What is the area of this? Because this one is B, this one is B. This one is also B, this one is also B. This means B square. No need to write this all here. B square. Now what is the length of this? C square. So first of all, A square plus B square plus C square. We found A square, B square, C square. Now check the area of this part. Area of this part. This much length is A. This A length is nothing but here. And this one is B. A into B is area of the shaded region. A into B. This one is also, let us check, B. And this length is A. A into B, area of this rectangle. Area of this rectangle and this rectangle becomes AB. And this one is also AB. How many times AB? Plus 2AB plus this time C. And this one is A. So what is the area of this part? Vertical line shown by this part. A into C. Here also this is the length of. So area of this part is C into A into C. So how many times C into A? C into A, 2 times C into A plus. here, the dotted part. What is the area of this dotted part? The area of dotted part is, this is nothing but C BC, and this one is also C BC. BC plus BC. The dotted part area is 2 times of BC. This is nothing but the same identity. Look at this: a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. This is nothing but the geometrical meaning of this algebraic identity. Now go to the third one, and that is last one. The last one. The last identity is a square minus b square equals to a plus b in one bracket, a minus b in another bracket. Many students from 8th standard, 9, 10, they almost or usually or frequently they use the same identity. A square minus b square equals to a plus b, a minus b in the two separate brackets. So today only we are going to prove the identities are really true or false. Means LHS equals to RHS or not. Algebraical proof is very easy. Even the previous proof also algebraically we can solve very easily. But the geometrical meaning we should know. The geometrical meaning is, first of all, draw a square here. Draw a square here in which the A, all sides are equal. A. Then you need to draw a vertical line over here and make a box, a short box, a very small box with length. This, first of all, tell me the total length is nothing but A, and this much only B. Remember, the complete length of this square is A, and this box has length B. Means this is nothing but B. This one is also nothing but B. Now tell me, this A is whole length, complete length. This A is also a complete length. If this one is B, then this one is also B. This length is what? B. Now tell me, if B is subtracted from a complete A, अगर मैं इस B को पूरे A में से निकाल देता हूँ तो बाकी बचेगा कौन? A minus B बचेगा. कौन बच गया? A minus B. अगर मैं यहाँ से B निकाल देता हूँ तो ये कौन बचेगा यहाँ पे? A minus B. Look at very important concept is this. ये अक्खा कितना है? A. उसमें से B चला गया, A में से B चला गया तो बचा कौन? A minus B. या पूरा कितना है? A में से B चला गया, ऐसा काट दिया मैंने तो बाकी बचा कौन? A minus B. Okay. Now tell me this much how much? ये कंप्लीट कितना है? A, और ये कितना बच गया? A minus B. यानी ये लेंथ कितनी हो गई? A minus B. तो अब हमारे पास पूरा का पूरा डेटा है, बिल्कुल है. अब हम काम पे लगते हैं. तो सबसे पहले बोलो, व्हाट इज द एरिया ऑफ दिस होल स्क्वायर? Area of the square is, area of square equals to side square. What is the area of this whole square? This length is A, this length is A, this one is A, and this one is also A. Means side square. Side square. But friends, this side square, ये पूरा एरिया किसके बराबर है? तो ये पहले पार्ट के, दूसरे पार्ट के, तीसरे पार्ट के, 3 पार्ट का एरिया मिलके क्या बनता है? पूरे स्क्वायर का एरिया बनता है. तो मुझे सबसे पहले बोलो, व्हाट इज द एरिया ऑफ दिस पार्ट, फर्स्ट पार्ट? तो ये लेंथ कितनी है? ए. अब ये ऑब्वियसली ये रेक्टेंगल हो गया, तो ये लेंथ कितनी है? ए. और ये लेंथ कितनी है? ब्रेड्थ A माइनस बी. तो इसका टोटल कितना आया? A इंटू A माइनस बी, लेंथ इंटू ब्रेड्थ. अब यहाँ आते हैं. अब यहाँ मुझे बताइए, ये पार्ट कितना है? B, ये लेंथ B, ये लेंथ B, तो ये टोटल कितना हो गया? B स्क्वायर. अब मुझे बताइए इसका एरिया कितना होगा? ऑब्वियसली ये एक रेक्टेंगल है, तो इसका एरिया कितना हो गया? जबकि ये A माइनस बी है, या इसको नहीं लिखा तो भी चलेगा. ये कितना है? ये इतना पार्ट, ये है A माइनस बी. अगर ये A माइनस बी है और ये B है तो इसका लेंथ कितना, एरिया कितना है? B इन ब्रैकेट A माइनस बी. चलो, अब सारे पार्ट का एरिया मिला है हमें, 1, 2, 3. तीनों को ऐड करें तो कितना बन जाएगा? A स्क्वायर. तो फ्रॉम all the areas we should write here a in bracket a minus b plus here b in bracket a minus b, and at last plus b square is equals to. Now first of all tell me, just look the, or this b square you transfer to this side, it becomes a square minus b square. This b square transferred to this side, it becomes a square minus b square. Now what is remain? A minus b, a minus b, a in bracket a minus b plus b in bracket a minus b equals to, यहाँ क्या दिख रहा है a माइनस बी, यहाँ क्या दिख रहा है a माइनस बी, तो इन दोनों में से a माइनस बी को कॉमन ले लो, तो a माइनस बी कॉमन आया, अंदर क्या बचा a प्लस बी. नाउ लुक एट दिस, a स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू a minus b a plus b. Okay, so in my next video I will explain another algebraic expression with their geometrical meaning. Thank you very much.